This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in YouTube Studio because that's where channel-level settings live. Once signed in, click your avatar at top right, choose YouTube Studio, then open Settings via the gear icon. This gets you to channel controls. Make sure you have your current country and any related billing or identity info handy, since platform options and tax forms change by country. You do this now so changes apply to monetization, analytics region, and ad settings immediately after you save. Once in Settings, navigate to Channel and pick the Advanced Settings tab because that contains country controls. You will find a country of residence dropdown, choose the new country from the list and then click Save. You do this because country selection affects tax forms, local monetization rules, and analytics localization. If prompted, follow re-verification steps. Google may ask for ID or billing updates. Complete those right away to ensure monetization and ads continue without interruption. After saving, verify the update by visiting Monetization and Analytics to ensure regional settings updated. This confirms tax and ad rules align to the new country. If the dropdown won't change or save, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or use another device because cached data can block updates. If problems persist, reproduce the issue, note exact error text, then contact YouTube support with screenshots. Doing that speeds resolution and prevents back-and-forth verification delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.